If your laptop doesn't have a backlit keyboard, it's really easy to install this kind of lights. It costs perhaps $2, $3, and it's very small. You see, it's a tiny bulb, and it comes with a wire. You just plug it into the USB port. Now, I'm aware there are bigger lights that you just plug in the USB, has like a smaller metal rod, but those take place, and it's just cumbersome. This one, it's extremely small. You can just attach it on the side, and it does put a lot of light. Now I'm filming with a camera. The camera doesn't really capture the entire brightness. It's just that the camera sensor, it's not that powerful, but this is how it looks. It's really a tiny LED, I think, and it's connected through USB, so you have a wire. Actually, it looks like this. When you get one of these, it's a wire with several LEDs, and you may just want to chop. I just chopped after the first or the second one. It's going to look like this. So basically, you just cut after the first one or maybe the second one. You can put several of them. These are red, but this one is white, really small and easy to use.